Workshop Wednesday. Brr. Cold. Done turn, well, yeah, they turned the heater off outside. Not in my shop. We got Chase. You good? Chase. He'll be mad in a minute. I'm gonna kick his butt out of the chair. He's nice and warm. Drago's happy. He's warm. Fire's on. All's good. Yeah, he come and looked at me. He said, "What are you doing? Who are you yelling at?" Oh well. Life is good today. Got a couple things to talk about. First of all, April engraving class, 4th through the 6th. I talked about it last time. Couldn't remember the dates. 4th, 5th, and 6th. Go to the website. Sign up. It's all there. Got people signing up now. So good thing. I'll take, I think I got 12 spots down or something like that. But people are signing up. So that's a good thing. I hope it's something that'll fit your schedule. And maybe we can happy and go. And speaking of engraving, I'm going to tell you all a little bit about... well, I'm going to advertise without their permission, but GRS has a deal called Grand Masters ever so often. And I went 2017, 2018, 2017 probably. I went up there and Alain Levenberg, a man from Belgium who's an incredible engraver, taught a class, and man, it was career changing for me. Well, for some of y'all that know me, know that Winston Churchill is a huge influence in my life, or not my life, but my engraving. And in my engraving career, I really look up to his style of engraving a whole bunch. And there's a man named Damian Connolly who is going to teach the Grand Masters this year in Emporia. And he is a protege of Winston. When Winston got sick, Damian has taken over some of his work and follow along those footsteps, and an incredible engraver. So really trips my trigger in that he looks so much and knows Winston so well and all that I'm going. Well, I think I am. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna apply, I think. And y'all go to the GRS website and search the Grand Masters and you will see all the info. But what I'm telling you all that for is not to talk about my own deal, but to encourage you. When I went in 2017, the Western culture was only represented by me, and I think that's a bad thing. I don't think that's good at all. There are a lot of really good engravers in our Western genre, and I think y'all need to be present. I think you need to apply. Don't let the name Grand Masters apply. Everybody there is just engravers except for the Grand Master that's teaching the class, and that's where the Grand Master comes from. So you know they're only going to take 12, or I don't know the exact numbers, but yes, you have to apply, and yes, right arm's getting tired. Go to the left arm. Yes, you have to apply, and that's a little nerve-wracking, right? Stick your head on the chopping block, but hey, that's what it's all about. And I know there are a bunch of you that would have fit in the last class. So get signed up, man. It's an incredible opportunity by an incredible engraver teaching the class, and I can't wait to meet him and be there if I get in. And you know, that's always yet to come. But anyhow, that's something that I'm going to encourage and see what y'all can do. Yeah, April engraving class coming up for me, and then we go from there. I do encourage somebody to turn the heater back on. I guess this is the last day. Came out this morning and it rained last night as it was freezing. We haven't been above freezing in a couple days, which I know, but it's still cold. And we got a good old thick layer of ice out there on the ground. And I've only had one kersplat right up on top of my head in the goat pen. Drago took full opportunity as I was down to lick me appropriately. Luckily, I was covered up and he couldn't get to me, so all is well. But anyhow, y'all have a good Wednesday. Stay warm, keep the fire lit, and we'll see you next week. Adios.